Very warm greetings to everyone. I am Megavati from Department of Agriculture. I am here to share my views about indoor vegetable gardening or indoor kitchen gardening. What is a vegetable garden? Do you have any idea? Okay, let me explain. A vegetable garden is also known as a vegetable patch or a vegetable plot. It is a garden that exists to grow vegetables and other plants useful for human consumption. In contrast to a flower garden that exists for aesthetic purposes, it is a small scale form of vegetable growing. Or, in simple words, it is a garden where vegetables, herbs, and fruits are grown for one's own use. So, what are the things that would require to start a kitchen garden? The first and foremost thing is type and size of garden. It includes small, large size of land, raised beds, containers, etc. And the next thing is preparing the garden site. The site selection can be near your house, and the water source should be readily available, and it should be a protected area from animals and pests. So the soil should be a well drained one. And the third point is choosing garden crops. It is up to your choice. Crops are of very different types, like legumes, leafy plants, rooty plants, etc. So, and to decide where and when and how to grow and how to set up a garden. Starting from seeds or small plants, garden maintenance, watering the garden, fertilizing, weed control, etc. All these steps would require to start a kitchen garden. Next, what is the purpose of maintaining or undergoing a kitchen garden is? So the main purpose of having a kitchen garden is to provide food for the family and to save the amount incurred on kitchen vegetables. The savings so made is utilized for other beneficial purposes. In ancient times, kitchen gardens were the sole source of food in a mainly vegetarian diet. In the modern era, the kitchen garden supplements the food budget and provides a balanced nutrition in a hurried, ready made meal world. The kitchen garden may serve as a central feature of an ornamental, all season landscape, or it may be little more than a humble vegetable plot. It is a source of herbs, vegetables, fruits, and edible flowers, but it is often also a structured garden space with a design. The kitchen garden has a year round visual appeal and can incorporate permanent perennials or a woody shrub plantings around the annuals. Next, let's get into the advantages and the importance of having a kitchen garden. So, the first and foremost advantage is the exposure to vitamin D. It also helps combat loneliness. It is a great task for reducing your depression. It is a great exercise actually. It can be your favorite hobby as well. And of course, consuming more healthy and fresh fruits. Vegetables is one of the most important things you can do to stay healthy. That is consumption of vegetables and fruits, which is grown in your kitchen garden. When you pick vegetables right from your garden, the vitamin content will be at its highest. Also, you're reducing the risk of eating vegetables that contain harmful chemicals. You know exactly what you're eating. In fact, it may provide, as I said before, it may provide some mental health benefits for you. So, studies have found gardening and horticultural therapy can reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and improve attention. So, can you grow any vegetables indoors? The question, if any question rises like this, yes, you can. Yes, you can grow vegetable indoors. I have grown a variety of vegetables and herbs, including lettuces, arugula, spinach, tomatoes, radishes, greens, and chilies, potatoes, etc. So, best of all, I grow these in the foods just using normal shop lights, and no other special equipment will be required for this setup. So, I would like to conclude saying this: please adopt a kitchen garden and you will be benefited like I am. Thank you.